everybody, and welcome back to the third installment of Super Monkey Ball 2 Story Mode. I am with
Chunks HD.
Jinx, you owe me a room temperature water.
You stole that from me, who stole it from Liza Koshy.
Subscribe to her also.
Oh.
Shout out to her.
I'm pretty sure you don't need to tell them to do that. I probably already have.
Alright, so this is going to be the final episode, episode 3, final episode.
Hopefully, unless we completely just suck.
This is basically going to be the longest episode, because this is 4 worlds we're doing, and we're doing the bubbly washing machine.
What?
Pretty sure that's what
sorry.
Pretty sure that's what this world is officially called, and
Who gets to name these worlds, and can I have their job?
People got paid to do the names of the worlds and levels.
And here I am uploading, and I've uploaded like, you know, days worth of content and get like nothing.
Yeah, you get nothing. Don't say you just get like nothing. You get nothing.
You get nothing and like it.
I also get nothing, so I don't care. I have 9 subscribers, so you guys should subscribe.
Yes.
I'm just gonna reset. Because I can't play apparently right now. Can't even make it up the little spiral. Come on!
We're going really fast.
I'm only going 10 miles per hour. Ah! Fun things, fun times, and fun. I can't make it up this thing, literally. That's sad. We're never gonna.
Come on, you can make it up the curly fry.
This is the official curly fry level.
Oh, I could have just looked at the name to see if it was actually like a washing machine or anything. Oh, that thing moves. Oh. I didn't. I would have just stayed there like, what the frick do I do? Oh. Wait, didn't you like just have a level like this?
Yeah, but it was called curvy option. This one's called wavy option.
Ooh.
What a difference.
Change the name. That means it's an entirely different frickin' level.
Let's see what actually the world name is. Bubbly washing machine.
Dang. Oh my gosh.
This level's called obstacle.
There's a washing machine right underneath you.
And a clock is ringing. Fun times. Earthquake! Okay, the earthquake stopped. The bubbly washing machine was making the earthquake. So in the actual storyline for this world, apparently Dr. Badboon, the bad guy, shrunk you, and now you're in the next like cutscene that I'm skipping. The monkeys go into his clothing and tickle him.
Excuse me? I'm sorry?
It's like the longest cutscene too.
What? Pardon me? What is this game?
I don't know.
Are you serious? Is that a thing?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. What is happening?
And apparently he's wanting his monkeys to starve because he's making all the bananas taste like curry.
But
So they're gonna starve now. Totally how
surely the banana, I meant the monkeys, would be fine with curry. Surely. Truly?
Ah!
You set off a red bar on the thing.
I know.
Warning contains screeching noises that are not human, but are at the same time.
It was pure human. That works.
Nope, you fell off.
I know.
Oh.
That was so stupid.
It looked like
this
you
level
made it
is actually a lot harder than it looks. because there is a slight delay on the thing I'm playing on, on the computer.
Yeah, my capture card sucks. I get it because it's not $1 million.
So there's a delay, and I'm not used to that delay, so it's hard to go straight.
It's like a third or it's like a third of a second.
But it bugs me and makes me play bad. So it's worse. It's horrible.
Okay. Where's If you were gonna fall off, that would have been hilarious. Okay, now we've got a tree. That is a tree. Okay.
Yep, it works. Works for me.
And now we've got a bamboo. Okay.
No, a double spiral.
You're a double spiral.
No, you're a single spiral.
Are you making fun of my relationship? Because that is very offensive. I don't know.
No one knows anymore. Ah, I'm gonna fall. Don't fall.
I've run out of things to say. Mark this down in your calendars. This is never gonna happen again.
What?
I never run out of things to say. Oh my goodness. Oh, that? Okay.
Yep.
Yay, we made it past the washing machine. Now we have to go through all the 8 Olympic rings?
There's only 5.
I know, but this thing has 8, so therefore...
They're actually not rings, they're bracelets.
You know what? I don't need any of that attitude, sir.
It's true.
Just because it is true doesn't... I don't know.
Just because it's true doesn't mean it's relevant. I don't even know what I'm gonna be able to, how I'm gonna be able to beat this level. Because of the delay, I'm not used to this. This level's really precise. Ah! Get up. Build up some speed. Get onto the next ring. No! I couldn't stay on. I couldn't stay on because the delay. I'm blaming all of my fails on the delay.
You're using my tactic. I'll blame it all on the lag. That's what I'm gonna do.
But mine's not.
Only...
It's funny how my button input, like me clicking the A button is not delayed, but me rolling is.
For me, everything's just delayed. Especially my brain.
I can't do that last ring. I'm out of control. I'm just gonna try this. No, I'm not. Oh no, I'm dead. This video is going to be...
90% of this video is going to be this level, I feel like.
No, because there's 3 more worlds after this one to complete. This is the only hard level in this world.
Unless you're me, in which case, like, this has been difficult from the very beginning. There you go. Surely there's, like, a way to skip all of the rings.
There is, but it's harder. I've never gotten it.
You know what? Okay.
Works for me.
Why am I more nervous than you? You're the one actually doing the playing of this game. I'm just sitting and watching.
Oh, my second nap of the run. I mean the game.
I'm so tempted to just like move your controller. You died. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh, I think I tried that last time and it didn't work.
There's the tickling scene.
No thanks. What is happening? Oh, we're in a clock, I guess. Did I actually get that right?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
No, we're in a clock tower.
You know what? Again, I don't need any of your attitude, sir.
Yeah, we're in a clock tower. Get it right.
You know what? I can deal without your attitude. I said that already, but it...
Apparently it didn't sink in. Oh no. Fun time!
Wee! What? That almost worked. Wah, 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 wah.
This is not a fun level. Cause delay and thin path platforms don't go to.
Well, to be fair, delay doesn't really go with anything unless you're working with a sound system. In which case, delay goes very well with a lot of things. Wait, where are you? Where is anything? Oh!
What?
Oh!
What? What? I wasn't even close to
The
edge,
game was
though.
just like, you keep cheating. And so, it purposely murdered you. Whee! And I'm free, free falling. Never mind. Is this the first level of this?
Yep.
Oh gosh. I can only imagine how bad the rest of this world is. How many levels are in each world?
10.
Because there's been ones that it didn't feel like there was 10.
Yeah, there's 10 in each one.
Because I could have sworn like the second or fourth or both were like 5.
The second one is a really short one, and the fourth one is a really long one.
I don't know anything, okay? Also, it's a drill, I guess, inside the clock. Okay, then.
It's soft cream.
What?
Oh. Look at the name of the level!
I'm confused. Uh-oh, you made it. You made it.
This section is death. And death.
Momentum.
And
Something I
death.
don't have. Oh my goodness.
Death.
Oh, it's a pendulum.
And death.
It's a pendulum.
And death. Death. And death. And death. That should be the name of this video. Death.
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 Death, death, and death.
Yep.
We 3 deaths of Super Monkey Ball.
8 Dust 09 and Chunks HD.
So we killed them off by having them play this level. Oh crap.
That's the hardest part, getting around the wingy thing.
The wingy things. No! I'm getting more panicky than you. This is unreal.
This is going to be like a 40-minute video, just saying.
Come on! Dust is the calm one, and I'm the one actually doing all the like screaming for him so that he can concentrate. Never mind. I didn't.
I literally can't get past that second switch. You only have to switch across twice. And the second one's the harder one of the...
Unless you're me, in which case you'll be switching around like 5 times.
Or never, because you can't even switch.
Yeah. This level is
It has been
evil.
15 minutes and we've barely made it past one world. I feel like I'm on the edge, but apparently I'm not. What the heck?
Well, you were on the edge that time. That works. We'll take it.
I'm taking it.
That is totally how you're supposed to do that level. You don't know. Also, I think we made it to another... Nope, we did not. This place is evil.
It's literally the hardest section. I'm not joking. I would consider this section the hardest section. You don't get a break. There are no breaks in this. I'm dead.
Well, you're not dead. Yeah, oh gosh. I can barely balance that well while walking. How are you supposed to do that when you're rolling in a ball?
You haven't even seen Exam C. All you Monkey Ball players out there, you know what Exam C is.
That's all my exams. Oh wait, you're not talking about grades.
It's a level. The hardest level in Expert. I consider, at least.
Oh, what is, oh gosh. What is that? Why did it, oh, is that you tilting it? Oh, I thought something was bumping in. Thank goodness.
Yes, the easiest stage! You get a break halfway through on level 5.
I still would have managed to die.
And now we go back to hard.
It looks like something that would hypnotize somebody.
It basically is. I don't know.
You are being hypnotized inside this giant clock. You don't know.
Maybe I'm just being hypnotized to die.
Believe me, we do not need hypnotism to do that. Goodness.
The timing's insane.
Who makes this level?
I think it's Helga.
She was like, let me drive these American people out of their minds.
She is a therapist.
What? Okay. Don't see what that has to do with it. Yeah, she's a therapist. She's using this as like a psychology exercise for people who have way too high self-esteem. So that they just get mad and just like I don't know. Oh, bumpers!
No one likes this. This is like one of the very first levels you've actually seen bumpers in.
This looks like a fairly easy level.
It's not with delay. I can't play this level, delay! My hands are sweaty too. Because I've been playing for 18 minutes. And I haven't even completed 2 worlds.
Try playing Metroid Prime for an hour straight.
Did you do that once?
I've done that a lot. Because I usually record multiple episodes at once, for starters.
Oh.
And some of my episodes can be over an hour. Like, usually my episodes that are over an hour are episodes that no one's gonna click on, and I do that on purpose because those are usually the episodes that I, am just exploring stuff and not making any real progress.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, I've got like a million notifications from people.
I'm pretty sure all the hard levels are done in this section.
My goodness. How are you jumping? Is it those thingies? Oh no, it's those things. Never mind. It's the blue things. Oh gosh. Congratulations. Ow. My arm hurts from lying down. I need to fix the computer screen. But I feel like it'll waste battery if it never falls asleep. And I know once I put it to never fall asleep, I'll forget about it for like the rest of my life.
Oh! No! I was trying to do a strat there. It just saved.
Figured as much.
What the heck? I was supposed to make that. That's not a hard thing to do. There, that's what I was playing.
Ta-da! Hey, we're only 20 minutes in.
Yeah, we have 2 more worlds.
Oh, frickin' well.
Oh, that was so cute.
So why exactly are you in the clock tower? And who put bananas in the clock tower? That's the real question here. Are we just gonna put that... Are we just gonna, like, not focus on that or anything? No? Okay.
Now we're in space.
Okay. Well, you're in a ball. You have breathing room, I guess. But not... Oh, gosh. Well, that's the thing.
This is also more death, death, and death, like the title says.
Wait, come on!
It's death, death, and death. As I pass the
Death, death, and death, oh my!
This is like the hardest level in this section. It's evil.
Oh gosh, oh my god.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
I would consider it in Super Monkey Ball 2 one of the hardest stages.
That's coming from me. Everything's like, oh, this is probably very easy. Oh, come on!
Easily the hardest stage in Expert. No, most annoying stage in Expert. Easily. It literally, like, your momentum just dies. You get 2 momentum like that, and then it goes and dies in a hole.
Okay, that works. It works.
Alright. My arms are starting to hurt.
Same.
We have 2 more worlds.
Spinning saw. Is there any other movement the saw would be making? I'm just saying, sir. Oh gosh. You'd think I'd be the one playing this because, like, I'm the one making all the weird noises. Oh, you were there!
My finger is slipping.
Oh my gosh. We'll take it.
I find in this level the green goal is actually easier to get.
Oh, that's how bad the level is? Oh.
Now my headphones or glasses again. Are getting close. Now you're just pulling my hair.
Oh, wow. Deal with... Oh, gosh.
Actually, I'm just gonna go over the blue goal because that means I don't have to go as high at the beginning. But I don't know if I've actually only gotten the blue goal once. And that means death, death, and more death. I can't even do the blue goal. It gives you too much speed. That's the thing.
Are you wanting to complete all these levels quickly? Because I have a feeling like I could easily, like, do this level, just not very quickly. I would do it with, like, 1 second remaining. Because I'd go very slow to make sure.
You can't go slow.
You can, like, stop at the very middle.
No, you won't be able to bring yourself back up.
You can use momentum.
That's why the green goal is hard. It's getting up. But it won't work because you gotta get up. It won't because you can't go slow in this level. This level is literally impossible to go slow on. Fine, we're gonna try the blue goal. Hopefully I don't have too much speed. It gives you too much speed on the blue goal. Sega, if you ever actually remaster this game,
which they probably won't, to be fair.
You need, though, to make the blue goal ramp start at the same height as the green goal's ramp. So you don't have that much speed. Nobody needs that much speed.
Almost we're talking about how often my patient goes in. Because now it's like that.
I wasn't paying attention, I was looking at the ground.
That didn't happen.
What the heck? How did I gain so much speed?
I don't know, that didn't work.
I just don't want, I want speed on the green goal, but like, I don't want too much speed.
Oh gosh, that was so close. If that would have happened, how many things in this house would have broken?
5.
That was
First this controller, second the computer, third the weed, 4 the capture card.
It sounded like you said the weed.
I can't even play this level correctly now.
What?
I can't even play this level correctly now. It's not like it's a hard level, like, you don't want to play this level though. I went the wrong way. I still somehow did that. Oh, and I died turning. I made...
You did all that advanced crap and then all of a sudden you just died.
Because I can't turn at 90-degree angles with delay. Blame it on the lag. Love how everyone's just being quiet so I don't die.
I'm doing Acuardo the awkward turtle. I don't know. Oh my
Oh, I
gosh.
hate this level.
Oh gosh, is that even... Wait a minute, yeah it is.
It's called guillotine.
Death, death, and death. It fits perfect. Ah, okay.
Hello, guillotines.
I thought you said you hated this level.
I got lucky. We're almost 30 minutes in.
Are you gonna do a speed strat for the tunnel?
That's my speed strat.
Okay, sounds good. It's a roller coaster. Oh my gosh. What? What? Are you upside down or something? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Just sing the music.
I can't tell. Only music I'm getting is that oh gosh. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. This world feels like it's taking forever, right?
I know.
It's probably like it is.
Right now I'm averaging 10 minutes per one world. Or 11 minutes.
Same thing. Wait, this is your third world, right?
Yeah, and I have one more after this.
Okay.
This is my last level in this world.
Okay. This one looks easy.
It's not.
Oh, that looks cool. Oh my god. Oh gosh. That one. Oh, the goal is in the puck. Really? Oh, well. Dang. Okay.
I thought it froze.
Did it save at least?
I haven't saved, no. But I saved when I quit.
Well, that was an easy one.
That's like the easiest level in this world. Now a speed run
That was
maze.
something I could have done. And I'm like trash.
You literally just line yourself up and go straight.
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm good at this game. Going perfectly straight.
Yeah, because there's like the little grooves of the controller that make you go straight. I don't even know if I have time for lining myself up like that. We'll make time. This level's literally super hard. It's one of the harder levels in World 10. These last 10 levels, though, are exclusive to only story mode. So, if you were to play the normal game, you're not gonna get this level. There's this one called Labyrinth that I love. It's my favorite level in story mode.
You'll get there eventually. Oh wait, you only have 26.
I know, it's literally a speedrun maze.
Don't fall off. Were you doing that on purpose?
Yeah, I was wiggling because it speeds it up. Sorry for this random break. I need to stretch.
But now you get a fun looking level. Oh gosh. Mountain.
There's only literally one level that's not
Let me guess,
horrible.
this mountain was made of our failures.
Yeah, every spike counts as one fail.
Oh no. No, every pixel.
Oh yeah,
Oh, this-
basically random dropping.
Just
Called-
press forward and see what happens.
No, because that won't work, and I know it, because the goal's not lined up with the score. Some is actually really easy.
Is stuff moving?
No. That's the hardest part. There's actually, you're technically supposed to follow where the things like drop, but I don't do that.
Yeah, why do that when you can just follow the
Alright, I have a different strat. You'll see it. It's not very hard. It's actually easier than probably what I'm doing. I was just wanting to do that because that's what I can see. Because I'm not honestly positive on strat. Just go ahead and stick with that one. But yeah, that's going to be easier. I have 200 bananas.
Well, that's just bananas. Yes, I'm a terrible person.
He's a funny person, though.
Never heard that one before.
Woo! Because I'm unoriginal.
Hashtag I'm unoriginal Dusto9 2018. I don't know. Nah, that's not a good one. We need a funny random one. And don't just randomly make something up just for the sake of doing a hashtag. No, I've got to catch you by surprise.
We're only gonna have one. I got smashed by the donut.
I got squished through the floor by a donut. Dusto9 2018.
The donut was delicious, though. It tastes like pudding.
What? Okay then.
I don't know.
I can't tell if anything's moving or not.
That's where the goal was, but the camera wasn't turning.
Can you move the camera around?
Nope.
Oh gosh.
That's why the camera's horrible. The one complaint about this game that I have is the camera. They never have fixed the camera. Every Monkey Ball game, the camera is horrendous. Oh, I can't so close. I have to move all the way over so the camera will move. Oh, shoot. Thing is, the stage is not a hard stage when you know what you're doing. This is literally the hardest part, just getting to the goal section.
Okay, we're close.
Yes! My favorite level in the entire World 10. Probably entire story mode.
I don't suppose later I can do this one.
Yeah, when we're not recording them.
Dang it.
Memorize the path that I do.
No, that was that.
Because it's literally an impossible maze to figure out.
Well, now you're making me not want to do it. Yeah, I probably won't actually. 'Cause I don't know. I guess I'm too lazy to go and do this now. Oh gosh. Okay.
I went one too far. Gosh dang it!
Oh wow. That works.
Now
What
we
is
have to
this
go
one?
upstairs.
This is a one-story building. Sir? Sir!
Go up them. Go up those stairs. You know you can do it. You can do it. Just keep walking.
No, we
Just
can't.
keep rolling. Just keep rolling.
Just keep rolling. You're a freaking hamster. I don't know. Ignore me.
He's a monkey, not a hamster.
Same thing.
No, they're not. They're two different animals. It's your animal right. Are you kidding me? Ah! Gold's right there!
Thought you were about to fall off for a second. Oh, you had 5 seconds remaining. Oh my gosh.
What the heck? What is this level? Oh, I forgot about this level.
Ready?
Computer's gonna flash in 2 minutes.
No, it's not. Oh, that's not that difficult.
It's not. This is.
Uh-oh.
Ready?
Are you kidding me? Oh, excuse me? What? What? What?
They specifically for this level made an invisible tile.
Oh my gosh. Have you just memorized this?
I remember.
Oh wait, also there's a reference at the very back, isn't there?
Oh, that's it!
Ow, I hurt myself.
Forgot about that one. You want to go down? Let me. Oh, okay. I know where I messed up.
Oh my gosh, this one is crazy.
It took me like 3 hours to beat this for the first time.
Oh my gosh. They should at least have the courtesy to put walls. You know, for people like me who can't even...
Well, by the time you've made it to this world, you're at least decently skilled.
No wonder I've never made it to this world.
There we go. That's where I wanted to go. And here we go. Here's the end.
This is the end of the world as you know it.
We still have one more.
You know what? You ruined my song, man. AV.
Amusement Vision. They're defunct now. Meaning they don't operate anymore.
Or analog video. That counts. Oh gosh, I thought you were gonna
It
do
was for Amusement Vision though. I don't remember where to go.
There's a goal somewhere on the thing, isn't there?
That's not when to go. It's on the other side of things.
Oh my
You gotta
God.
roll across it. It's on the A. You gotta go under the V.
Or
Yep,
you
that's
could just
it.
roll on the black circle, couldn't you?
No, you can't. It's like 16 and 210. And I don't even know if... See? Pretty sure that... No.
It'll work!
I need to go earlier. Okay. I know where to go now. This level is basically just a bunch of trial and error. No, that's not when to go, apparently. Well, when do you go?
Ooh,
Let's just not press the button.
got a safe ID. Okay. Maybe get inside the A.
No.
Because
That
then
won't
you
work.
won't fall.
It won't work.
But you won't fall either.
Yeah, you will. You can fall right out.
But it'd be very difficult. It'd be easy to keep on.
No, because you have that hole.
Yeah, but it's a very small home. You probably
But
can't
it's
really
like-
do that.
So I'm just gonna look at this.
I'd say go with the V.
I would. That's it.
Oh, I see now.
I see just right now.
Do 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 do.
I didn't hold up. I was scared too. At least we know the timing. I knew it was something with the V, but I thought it was with the A for a little bit. Like, cause I remember kind of bouncing. But now I don't. Now I just remember rolling.
Well, because that's pretty much the only thing you can do in this game.
They think no.
They hating. Oh no, we are gonna die today.
Party ball! Oh!
You're not gonna
Apparently,
get away
in the Super Monkey Ball files, there's this thing called Memes Castle.
that. Oh no, I don't want to go in that way.
They think it was actually supposed to be for a mini game, called Mimi's Castle because Mimi is a character in the game.
Oh, then that makes sense.
But it's named Memes Castle.
Memes Castle. Oh my gosh. Yay! Did we do it?
Yep.
We beat the game?
Now we just gotta get through all these stupid credit things.
Well, this has been Super Monkey Ball 2
Story Mode.
Sped Run-ish.
Not really.
And by that, faster than me, definitely.
Okay.
Oh yay, new record! Set by whatever.
Alright guys. That was Super Monkey Ball 2. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Or on my channel.
Yes, true. Alright. Bye everybody.
Yeah.